Hello everyone. We are officially in week number 3 of our learning at home. I'm not at Wrigley Field. For those big baseball fans, you know what I mean. If your parents are big baseball fans, you can ask them what you think that means, and we'll go over what that means when we do our Google Meet today. Wrigley Field is where the Chicago Cubs play, so I am not in the outfield at Wrigley Field. Today's plan is please first do your lesson 6 exit ticket on the Google form. We're going to meet again at 2 o'clock, Google Meet. We will do our problem set together. It's word problems dealing with volume. And then you can do Zern Online, YouTube videos, and the homework. I'm going to stay on the Google Meet after for those of you that are struggling with this concept. This is a tricky one, so if you need the extra help, I will be there after we do our problem set. And then, of course, we're going to do Achieve 3000. It's going to be impactful inventions and building the future. Slide 4 of your research is going to be how many people contract this disease yearly today. If this is a disease that's not that common, some of you have picked a disease that's it's kind of been eradicated. It's kind of been taken away by modern medicine. When it was common, give me the year it was common and how many people would get it yearly. So I don't want you to tell me that no one gets it now and you're done. So it takes a little bit more extra research. After that, how many people die each year from this disease? Same thing. If it is not a common disease, tell me the year it was common and how many people died then. And then I'd like to know, when was the last epidemic of this disease? Again, epidemics are usually diseases that are contagious. So I know some of you have not picked a contagious disease. So go ahead and give me the year that it was most prevalent, the year that we saw a lot of cases. So if you're doing, I know Anaga is doing lung cancer. Was there a year that had a really big spike in lung cancer cases? So give me the year of that and how many people were affected and how many people died from it. And then real quick, the 5th grade team, including myself, is going to meet with Mrs. Taylor and Mr. Baker at 1 o'clock. So before our Google Meet, we will have information about how we're going to move forward with this next month of online learning. It's going to be a little different than what it's been in the past. So we're going to have probably daily Google Meets and daily math lessons, and I'm going to try to read, going to do our reading A to Z daily with groups. We're going to see how that works. So that's going to be at 1 o'clock. And remember, I've been getting pretty good at my TikTok dance. Wednesday is the world premiere of Mr. Atkinson's TikTok dance. So make sure you're there on Wednesday to check it out. I emailed some parents of those students that are not doing their Achieve 3000s. Please make sure that we're doing all the Google Forms on my website. There's no excuse not to be doing the Google Forms. I only got 21 responses for my Google Meet survey. So thank you for those people who are doing that. The biggest thing that we're going to change in Google Meet is the background noise. We had a lot of people talk about how it was distracting because of the wind or background music or people talking during Google Meet. We have to be able to be in a nice, quiet room in order to do that, just like a classroom is going to be. All right, so I will see you at 2 o'clock today for our Google Meet with some information and Lesson 7 problem set. Until 2 o'clock, we will see ya. Bye.